Well, we made it to Windrock. A little later than expected, but the weather is fantastic. It's been raining nonstop. Supposed to be raining nonstop the next 3 days, but we're not gonna let that slow us down. Booked a place called the Big Red Barn. I'm sure other people have stayed here that are watching this, but pretty cool, cozy. They got 10 different rentals here. This is one of them. But yeah, we're gonna get our machines unloaded and probably throw on some rain gear, and we're not gonna let this stop our time. All right, stay tuned. Bottoming out.
No!
Oh, right in the eye.
That wasn't good.
No, we got it. You went up to the right instead of the left. Go up and go to the right. All right, it's probably the dumbest thing we've done so far is take trail 16 to the waterfall, pitch black, pouring down rain. We made it. We're having a good time, kind of.
Reporting live from the peanut gallery. I really don't know why Gary can't back up the mountain and why Steven can't back up down the mountain, and so that Tim Talk can move around and we can get going. I'm here reporting live with Tim Jax. He doesn't think we should go down 16, but we're apparently turning around. We'll see. We'll keep you posted.
All right, Gary, what happened? Let's talk about it.
Shit happened.
Someone's idea, not gonna say any names, Tim, decided he wanted to do trail 16 at night. We're stuck. We flipped multiple times. Flashlights are all dead. Hopefully there's a machine coming back to winch us over. We left at like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It's after midnight. I think. I don't even know what time it is anymore. And yeah, we are out here risking it. That is for sure. So if there's another video of us back at camp, then we made it. If there's not, I don't know. We'll see. All right, got Tim here. Winching Gary over. Back down.
Okay, hold it.
So what I had to do it again. I already told him, don't go chasing waterfalls.
And
They stick to the rivers.
You know,
Like,
was it just
my decision?
I paused my track when we got off at the waterfall, and it's still saying we've been riding over 8 hours. Ride time. Ride time.
Well, we left at what, 6:20?
Is Gary?
Well, it's 3 o'clock in the morning. We made it back. There's lots of carnage. I don't even want to know how bad this is. Winch broke. Well, not the hook piece broke. I gotta figure that out tomorrow. Mirrors are shattered. I don't think I have a mirror anymore. Nope, that's gone. Other than that, we made it back in one piece. We got Steve's talon. You can't even see it. That's all hanging down. That's all. Shh. Yeah. Well, at least we're back. And now, go eat dinner, go to bed, figure out what we're riding tomorrow. Well, here's some of the damage I got. That's kind of crushed in. And then basically, all these marks, whether you can see or not, all this sliding and skidding. Some of that there. Not too much about the rims, but these parts are dangling. And they'll probably run these rims. All of this here. This is broken here. I think I caught a rock and it chewed the inside of my rim up. Because this is the way the other one looks, not like that. So, ground this down. It's all silver. And then that looks a little bit bent. It's crushed.